How to calculate the weight of any woven fabric. Our loom setup and fabric construction details are: reed width is 200 centimeters. Warp count per centimeter is 80. Weft count per centimeter is 20. Warp yarn is 70 denier twisted polyester. Weft yarn is 70 denier textured polyester. We're going to calculate the weft and the warp consumptions separately. Let's start with warp consumption. The very first thing we need to do is calculate the total number of warp threads. We can do this simply by multiplying the reed width, which is 200 centimeters, and the warp count per centimeter, which is 80. If you do the math, you will get the number 16,000. We'll use this equation to calculate the warp consumption. Multiply the warp yarn thickness, which is 70 denier, with the total number of warp threads, which is 16,000, and divide this by 9,000. That makes 124 grams per meter. Just a quick note, denier is a unit that has been used for defining the thickness of filament yarns. 1 denier is equal to the weight of 9,000 meters long yarn in grams. Lower denier numbers indicate finer yarns and vice versa. That's why we divide by 9,000. It's a constant number in the formula. Let's carry on with the weft consumption. We need to multiply the reed width, which is 200 centimeters, with the weft count per centimeter, which is 20, and the weft yarn thickness in denier, which is 70, and divide by 9,000 again. That makes 31 grams per meter. So, till here, we have calculated the weft and warp yarn consumptions separately. Now we need to add them together in order to find the total fabric weight in grams. If we add 124 to 31, we'll find 155 grams of fabric weight per meter. Let's assume our raw fabric length is 180 centimeters long. If we divide 155 grams by 1.8 meters, we'll find the fabric weight in terms of square meters, which is 86 grams. This woven fabric weight calculation tutorial doesn't cover the shrinkages of warp threads that occur during sectional warping and weaving process. Weft shrinkages, such as the exceeded lengths on both selvages and shrinkages related to the applied weaving patterns, are also ignored to keep this tutorial short and more understandable.